You want to be a greasy, fast Italian tank. I'm going to show you 2 ways you could do it. For those who don't know, I was quoting Rocky 2. If you haven't seen it, go get a life. Go watch it. You should have already watched it by now. But speed, power, there's a difference between training that and how you would train for hypertrophy or getting bigger, as well as training for strength. Power and strength, kind of the same, kind of not. 2 different ways we go about it. So here's the idea. 2 ways that you work on your power, explosiveness, your speed. I'll use squats as an example for right now. I can either train my speed, my power. I'm going to do a jump squat. I'm going to try to jump as high as I can. Take a little bit of a break. Deep breath. Do it again as high as I can. A little bit of a break. You do that for a set of maybe like 4 to 5 or maybe even less. One other way that you go about this is you're just training to be very fast, speedy. You're not too worried about getting up as high, but I'm going to do like a set of like 8, or I'm going to try to do like 10, 15 seconds as quick as I can, coming up onto my toes a little bit. I'm moving fast, but not so much worried about the explosiveness of it as much as just trying to move quick, moving the muscles quick. So you can apply this to almost any movement that you'd like to use. So for example, one movement we can use this on, we'll say a clean and press with the dumbbells. So if I'm doing my clean and press, I can either go really heavy for like a set of 2 or 3. And if I was going heavy, I'm still going to move it quick. Come up, down, set it down, take a break. If it's heavy but light enough where I can do 2 or 3 in a row, then I'm going to try to move it 2 or 3 in a row. But by that time, it should be heavy enough where I feel like I'm slowing down and I have to slow down. Or, again, if the weight's light enough, then we're talking like 10 to 15 seconds or maybe like 5 to 8 reps. And using that lighter weight, I'm going to cruise through as quick as I can, trying to get the reps done as quick as I can. When you go into that, you can expect 2 things, in case you haven't ever tried this before. If we're going the super explosive or a little bit heavier, but with some speed route, you're not going to get much. It's not going to feel like you're moving as fast. Like when I was jumping, I don't feel like I'm jumping very high, but you're putting every ounce of effort you can into it, and it's going to end up wearing you out for those 3 or 4 reps. You're doing lighter, or like the body weight squats I was doing. You're going to end up seeing that if you are moving as fast as you can for a high rep count, that should leave you out of breath. You might get a little bit more sore or a different type of sore afterwards if you're doing multiple sets or reps of this. But training that speed, training that explosiveness, next time you have to go lift something heavy, if you're regularly trying to do this, you're going to start noticing that heavier weight that felt slow is going to start popping a little bit more. You've trained your body to move quick, even when it's getting a little bit tired or when it's starting to shut down. And then those muscle fibers, now they react even better when you do have a heavy load on you, or you do need to jump as high as you can, or when you go to take off and sprint. So, importance of using power and speed in your training. It will help you get faster. It'll help you move quicker. You'll probably not get injured as much if you're moving quick. Because when you fall, when you trip, when you hurt yourself, it's usually because you fell and you didn't know what to do. Your body didn't move quick enough. So a couple different reasons why you should be training it. Whether you're an athlete or you don't consider yourself an athlete, you still need to be moving some quick stuff or some heavy stuff quickly. Hope that helps.